Hey guys, welcome to Indian Meeple and welcome to another unboxing for Wildlands. So this is the Adventuring Party expansion. Let's unbox this. So here we basically have the rule book. So we have 4 characters in this expansion and we can actually play them as a faction in Wildlands, or we can have them as looters. So in the encounter version of the play, you will have them as looters who will basically take your crystals and run around the map, and you will have to catch them, kill them and get your crystals back. This is a very nice expansion. I like to play it as a faction. I have played it with my friend, so it was really fun to play them as a faction. I'll basically show you guys what we get here. So we have again amazing miniatures for the Wildlands pack. I'll just try to focus. Yeah, so here I think is a Conan-like barbarian creature. Amazing minis. I like the ink splatter kind of look. Yeah, so they look amazing here. Next we have, so here we have a Thor-like miniature with his hammer. Looks amazing. Next we have this character holding a sword. I love how delicate these minis are and how they move around the map. Next we have a mage sort of a character. So I think she has healing powers from what I remember. Really looks good. And we have the deck of cards. These are unique to these characters. So we use these cards when you are going to use them as a faction. Finally. And I love the artworks on these cards as well. So this is Harm, Tom, Chris and Elena. And these are the character cards. This is what basically comes in the deck. So I think they have kind of everything with the healing. So healing is something new in this set. And then we have all the cards for playing the faction. So all in all, it's an amazing expansion. Also, in case you just bought the Wildlands Ancients big expansion, you would get these bases. So earlier you need to switch bases, with a different color when you're playing Wildlands, but here you can basically switch the bases to these white ones and have all our miniatures have white bases, so you don't need to keep on switching bases every time. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like this video if you really like it. I'm just starting with Wildlands, so subscribe to Indian Meeple. Bye.